on my lunch break right now and I was just unboxing quite a few deliveries that I got in, and I thought, why not pop on and show you what I got through the post today. It's been a good Monday. First things first is the UK Lash hair growth and eyelash serum. So I've used this brand before, but I'm excited to try it. I've seen online and like it gets such good reviews. It's the Lash Peptide Serum and their hair growth serum. And if you know me, you know I'm on a hair growth journey, so I'm excited to try this out. This wasn't delivered today, but it was delivered at the weekend and I've got it on. So I am so obsessed with this. I would never promote a product that I don't actually use or recommend, but this tan, 10 out of 10. Do you see how like natural it looks? This is a Solskin very dark tannin mousse, and this is what the box looks like, just in case you're wondering. It goes on so nice, really blends really well. Link this below. Definitely gonna be a new favorite and doesn't smell like fake tan, which is even better. A slightly different one from the Makeup and Beauty is these new Tonic Focus Blend Support. They're little sachets that you take. They look like this. They're little sachets you just dissolve in water, and it helps with cognitive function, mental performance, fatigue reduction, which, you know, all those sound great because I just need help in all those areas. So I'm excited to try these. This is the peach mango flavor. Let me know if you've tried these before. These are the Focus Blend. Yeah, I might try out the others. I also got this gorgeous package from Tropic. I love Tropic skincare so much. It's literally like such a luxury. But this is one of their Christmas sets, and it's the Healthy Glow Ritual. So it comes with the Nourishing Moisturizer, Sun Drops Facial Serum, and the Sun Glaze Illuminating Bronzing Drops. Like, how stunning is this? And how stunning is the packaging? Like, Christmas gift idea. Finally, I got this huge box from Garnier with a quick look and then I'll go through it. This mask is so nice. I love this, and the coconut mask, if you've ever used the coconut mask before. Yeah, just so thick, luxurious, perfect texture for like a nice slick back, or yeah, sometimes I sleep in this and then wash it off. Good moisturizer in the Body Cocoa and Ceramide. So this smells gorgeous too, so nice. These masks, so you can't go wrong with a sheet mask. I love a good sheet mask. Little bronzer drops, which I've never tried, also never seen these before. So you just mix them in with your moisturizer, I'm guessing, for a glow. So excited to try those out when you're doing your makeup, and they have the Garnier logo on them. If you're new to my page, I'm going to be sharing loads of Christmas gift ideas, lots of beauty, lots of makeup, skincare, like sharing my favorite bits because that's just what makes me happy. So if you're new, follow along, and I'll link all these products down below as well if you want to check them out. There's some really good deals on at the minute.